Whether you need to efficiently heat your home or just keep it cool, having top-of-the-line equipment and outstanding service is of the utmost importance to the quality of your air and the comfort of your family. Achieve your desired temp today through Stramowski Heating. Since 1977, we have served the heating and cooling needs of the Milwaukee community. As an Angie's List Super Service winner, we pride ourselves on our honest approach and professional ethics. With our 100% satisfaction guarantee and no overtime charges on nights and weekends, we truly take the fear out of trusting a local repair person. Stramowski Heating technicians are well-trained and certified, combined with over 80 years of industry experience. Our quality services include heating and cooling, air conditioners, furnaces, and boiler installations, as well as service calls for repair and equipment tune-ups. Visit us online at Stramowski.com and see why we are the Milwaukee area's one-stop shop for optimum indoor air quality and comfort. Don't settle for an outdated heating or AC unit. Allow Stramowski Heating to create a new level of comfort in your home. Contact us today. Call 414-455-0957 to schedule Stramowski service.